Hi guys, so I have no idea what to film right now. Freak this. So, hi guys, it's Kallie Marie, and today I have no idea what the heck I'm doing. I think since I have nothing to film, I don't know what to film. All my coloring stuff, I've been coloring for the past, I don't know how long, wait. I have a fish. Where did my fish go? I have two fishes. Here's my two fishes. I've been coloring a lot. I'll like watch Vampire Diaries and then color while I'm doing it. It's interesting. So I was gonna do a reacting to the Dance Academy, then I realized I don't have enough storage for screen recording and all that, copyright, don't feel like doing that. So again, it's like 5 o'clock and I have to get this video up by 8. So it's probably gonna be late. So when it is late, I'm sorry in advance. So I'm just going to do getting my life together at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Kind of terrible, but you know, we're gonna do it anyways because I have a crap ton of dirty clothes over there in the floor. You don't want to see it. It's not the greatest. I also need to do this, and also need to like do my devotion, and I also need to like find some new like good Christian songs, and I also need to figure out how to wear a freaking bandana because I have one and I really want to wear it because it's like super cute and trendy, but like I can't figure out how to wear it. So like we're gonna do that. We're gonna get ourselves together. And yeah, this is my lovely, I like journal in this. So like this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And so I still need to do that. But then I also need to make another one for June. So I think I'll put it on a time lapse and I'm literally just gonna do that on my bed. I have these are, Tombow brush pens that I use as color. I also have this. I have the mild liners and like Sharpie pens that I also can use. And then I also have regular Sharpies. So we'll find out what I use and I'll just probably put it on a time lapse. I literally just time lapsed my whole freaking thing and did the whole like bullet journal thing. Didn't get any of it. You know how freaking mad I am right now? Ugh, I mean, it doesn't even look good. Like I understand like it's not good, but like still. I should have used like markers or something, but like honestly at this point I don't really care. Like this is my July. I really kind of hate it. This is not a cute angle. We'll go over here. I'm like seriously mad. Like this was June, like it May, but like ugh, seriously, it makes me so annoyed. Now I have to figure out that mess and like go do my laundry. So we're gonna go do that. And my mom is like going to the store. I think my brother should be down here. Yeah, there's Landon. Say hi, Landon. He doesn't have a shirt on, as usual. He never has a shirt on. So, and so I'm downstairs. My mom just cleaned the fridge, and it looks so awkward. I'm not used to it like that. Welcome to my horribly lit laundry room, where I need to get a basket. Lights off. It has like stuff in it. Honestly don't really care. Wait, there we go. It's the one of the only decent lights. I think it's because it's fluorescent. Say hi, Messy. Dang. All right, so this morning I literally all I did, I woke up at like 10 and then slept until like 12. It was bad. And then I online shopped for literally forever. I got LED lights, I got a new bathing suit, I got the Perfect Fit point shoe inserts. Alright guys, I do have pants on, I promise. So, yeah, hi. Dirty clothes. Lots of them. I hate doing my dirty clothes now because all my dirty clothes is like workout stuff. Because I don't wear any other clothes. Okay, that's it. We're done. Now that it's in the basket, we get to take the basket downstairs and sort, and then actually put it in the laundry. And why this is so heavy, I don't know. This is quite painful, and it's poking into my ribs. Oh yeah, my bathing suit should be here by like end of July. It's gonna take forever. Lights, the LED lights should be here by like Monday or Tuesday. No, Tuesday or Thursday. No, Tuesday or Wednesday. Oh my gosh, what words? And then the toe pads should be here by the end of this week. It's like 2 to 7 days. So, as I drop my phone. All right, now I get to sort. Hi guys, welcome back to my bad quality. I'm this close to just quitting YouTube. I just can't right now. It's just not happening. Alright, so I just finished sorting. And so now I get to put all of it. This is darks. Looks like what I'm wearing. It's not slicky, but it's not white. So now we get to put all that in the washing machine. I just couldn't get a good angle. I'm pretty sure I could go full of clothes now. Why is there a freaking hanger in the hamper? I'm losing my crap. I'm not okay. I need to go listen to some Jesus music, which is another thing that I need to do. I need to go make my new Christian playlist because I need to like, I have not been on a schedule recently and we need to make a new one. So, current situation, and I need to put up groceries when new Madre gets home. So, crap. Now I have to put up my clothes. I don't want to, but I have to. So we're gonna go do that. Hi guys, so I just finished putting up my clothes. And now I'm going to figure out how to wear a freaking bandana. And I just realized the problem with this is I don't want to take my hair out of braids. So I'm just going to figure out how to fold it. Because obviously, like, I don't know what the heck is happening. How to wear bandana. Okay, on head. That's literally a search, on head. I also want to kind of figure out how to wear this one. But, I also want to figure out how to wear this one, but like, I look so, ew, Callie, honey. What if I like, we need to like twist it or something.
Styles, and I'll be featuring bandanas in this video because I think it's perfect for the summertime. Sometimes I don't have time to do my hair, so I want to make my hair look really cute and extra.
Is that it? Like a little twist?
Or a headscarf or a headband, whatever.
Alright, so I figured it out, maybe. I don't really think I did, but you know, braids. Yes, maybe so. I kind of still don't like it. It's okay. Now, alright, I got to the part I need.
Your hair is all down. You're feeling your hair. It's either curly, it's wavy, it's straight, whatever it is. You're feeling it, and you don't want it up, but you do want to focus.
It's up, but you know.
Or your little headscarf, and that's why I'm going to do this hairstyle.
Yes.
Make it nice and thin, and I'm going to bring it from underneath. Make sure it's
You should just make it thin.
Like that? Maybe? I don't freaking know. I've never done this before. Yeah.
Alright, so just take it underneath. Alright, next.
Bring it around the ears.
Around the ears.
Make sure I have a little bit more.
More. We'll go to this side.
I'm going to tie it to the side.
We're tying it to the side.
Make sure you tie it really tight.
Okay.
And that completes the look. I know a lot of you guys have issues when you're tying your bandana. Just tie it really nice and tight. It will loosen up a little bit, but it should stay in your hair pretty much all day long. But I like this look. I'm gonna keep it as a little bow just because I think it's
I look
cute.
so weird.
Oh
my gosh, ew.
Nice and simple, and it really complements the outfit. So this one is going to be half up, half down.
Maybe I just can't wear a bandana.
I feel like the one, like, you know, that person that has like the just like the one little sprout out of their head. You can see it now.
Okay, you know, maybe we should try this on a day. Oh, you ready? I'm just gonna put it on my wrist. I can do that. I'm doing it. We got it. We got it. There. Wrist. Or I could like turn it. Ow, why does that hurt so bad? Ew. You have a hair tie on my wrist? Oh, there we go. Wrist. The only one I can do. Now we're going to basically find some lovely Christian rap songs because I need to get my life together.
I can sort of look to that, honestly. Maybe we'll put this one. Just like twist it. How do I twist it though?
Yes. Yes, I found it. Alright, so her name is like Groove and Jess, which, oh my gosh, I love her videos. Gorgeous. So I like this one. This one, it's like, what is this song called? That's the question. Dunk Contest by Andy something and words played. It's, what if I like, oh, I'm gonna write them down on this piece of paper. And we're gonna make a playlist. Lovely. Please tell me you just saw that. That literally just, that's terrifying. Okay. Okay, I love this one so much. So it's called Fight For Me by Kallie. Dude, these names are, I am struggling. I just want you to take it a second and appreciate how bad my handwriting looks right now. I'm just like, next. Yeah, what is this called? Normally it tells you like in the bottom, but ooh, it's called Bounce. All right, that's helpful, I guess. Live, okay. I love that one. Oh, it's God Flex by someone, however you say that. Oh yes. None of My Business by Andy something. Alright, so that's quite a few. I think we got enough for one day and I've done enough. I'm gonna start editing this. I hope you guys, I don't know, enjoyed this, watched this. It was kind of a mess because I literally just didn't know what to film. And I was like, you know what? Get my life together with me 2020. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed or something like that. Comment down below, comments, questions, or concerns. You probably have many. I post videos every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern time. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos from me that are, if this is your first video that you're watching, I have better ones. Please go watch those. And I really hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time.